Most people are taught one rule about sleep: 8 hours or you fail the day. But that rule breaks down in real life. Some of the most productive people in the world sleep less and still wake up mentally clear. Japan is a good example. This is not about forcing your body to survive on less sleep. It is about changing how sleep works for you. Let us break down what actually matters. First, depth beats duration. Sleep is not a flat state. The real recovery happens during deep sleep stages. If your night is long but interrupted, your brain never fully resets. Research consistently shows that a shorter night with uninterrupted deep sleep can outperform a longer night filled with micro-awakenings. The Japanese approach focuses on protecting sleep depth instead of chasing hours. Second, environment shapes sleep quality. Small habits before bed make a massive difference. Heavy food late at night raises body temperature and disrupts sleep cycles. Bright lights suppress melatonin. Many Japanese households naturally reduce light exposure in the evening and eat lighter dinners. Even sleeping surfaces matter. Firmer bedding keeps the spine aligned, reducing subconscious movement that fragments sleep. Third, strategic daytime rest. There's a concept in Japan called inemuri. It means being present while resting. These are short, intentional naps, not long crashes. A 10 to 20-minute nap can restore alertness and cognitive performance. Studies show this level of rest boosts focus, similarly to caffeine, without the energy drop later. Fourth, rhythm over flexibility. Your brain runs on a biological clock called the circadian rhythm. When sleep and wake times change daily, the brain wastes energy trying to adjust. Consistent schedules train the nervous system to fall asleep faster and wake up with less grogginess. This is one reason fewer hours can still feel refreshing. Fifth, calming the nervous system before bed. Stress is the enemy of deep sleep. Evening rituals matter. Warm baths, quiet activities, slow breathing, or tea rituals help shift the body from alert mode into recovery mode. When the nervous system calms down quickly, deep sleep begins sooner. The takeaway is simple. Feeling rested is not about sleeping longer, it's about sleeping smarter. Protect depth, respect your rhythm, reduce stimulation, and use short naps intentionally. When sleep quality improves, the clock becomes less important. No coffee required.